Hello, I'm Julian Skidmore, the designer of the FIGnition DIY 8-bit computer, and I'd like to introduce you to a simple demonstration of its graphics in this short video. FIGnition's software base is still at its early stages, but its few programs can be downloaded fairly easily. Just go to the examples page on the FIGnition website and download the graphics demo hex files as a .zip. Extract the .hex files. You use a utility called avr-do to upload the .hex file to FIGnition's EEPROM memory and then edit each one in turn into its flash storage chip. GDemo shows how directly accessible FIGnition is for writing programs, in this case simple graphics demo. FIGnition supports up to 16 user-defined graphics. The first few blocks define graphics patterns for 8 UDGs. The next few blocks copy the data to the UDG area, which is just after the end of video RAM. The graphics demo itself simply consists of generating random locations in video memory for up to 100 graphics objects. To move each one, we get its old location, calculate a random movement either up, down, left or right, make sure the location wraps to somewhere in video memory, and finally we display a space at the old location, then display the UDG's character at the new location. After moving all the graphics objects, we scan the keyboard, incrementing the number of objects if you press cursor right up to a maximum of 100 objects, and decrementing down to a minimum of 1 the objects if you press the cursor left. Every second, the demo displays the number of frame updates it could do. You can then load the demo most easily by defining a command to load all of its blocks, then loading them. Finally, you run the demo, for example, by typing 40gdem. You can see that FIGnition's built-in fourth language is fast enough to write simple video games as you would for an early 80s home micro. You can quit the demonstration at any time by pressing space. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it might encourage you to think about what you could do with a FIGnition.